you ready for another writing workshop? This time it's workshop 4. We are still talking about the background, so this is going to be the background part 2. Let's start with the 5 W's and 1 H question. So you know, to write a background, we have to write about the main topic. And you also know you need to make it general and in the plural form. But are you not sure what to write about for a background? Try thinking about the 5 W's and 1 H question. You can use the 5 W's and 1 H to make up a question that you can answer in the background. Do you remember the question we wrote saying, "What is your favorite toy?" Let's use this question to write W and H questions that we can answer to create our background. For example, I could say, "Who plays with toys?" Or, "What are toys?" "When do kids get toys?" "Where do toys come from?" "Why do kids like toys?" Or, "How can we get more toys?" Do you notice how there's 5 questions that start with a W and 1 that starts with H? These are the 5 W's and 1 H question words. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Can you answer these questions? Those answers will be the sentences for the background in the essay about toys. Remember, the question is not part of the background. Only the answers are. So your background is not going to have "Who plays with toys" written in it. The answer will be in the background. Maybe your answer is, "Kids play with toys." "Kids play with toys" could be a background sentence. Now let's look at some more examples. Look at how answering these questions gives you a bunch of sentences you can use in the background. Number 1, who plays with toys? My background sentence could be, "Kids love playing with toys." Or, "What are toys?" Now, the question does not go in the background, but my answer could be a background sentence. Toys are things that can entertain kids and keep them busy. That's a great background sentence. Let's look at another one. When do kids get toys? Do I put this in my background? No. The answer, I can though. Kids get toys from Santa on Christmas. Perfect background sentence. Let's try another one. Where do toys come from? Toys are made in factories and sold at stores. Or, why do kids like toys? My background sentence could be, kids like toys because they can use their imagination when they play with them. Or, how can we get more toys? If you want more toys, you can go to the store and buy more. That blue sentence could be a great background sentence. Now that you know all about background sentences, why don't we go ahead and practice writing some? Are you ready to practice? Let's go ahead and do practice number 1. Use the words to complete a background sentence for each question. Question number 1. What is a team? Your word box is team, goal, together, and group. Your background sentence is, a blank is a blank of people that work blank on a blank. Can you figure out the sentence? It should sound like this. A team is a group of people that work together on a goal. Question number 2. Why are teams important? Your word box is jobs, team, complete, and important. Your background sentence is, blank are blank because they can make big blank easier to blank. Did you figure it out? That's right. It's teams are important because they can make big jobs easier to complete. Let's go on to practice number 2. Use the hints to write a background sentence for each essay question. Question number 1. Who can be on a team? Your hint is anyone that can work together. What is your sentence? It should be something similar to this. Anyone that can work together can be on a team. Question number 2. What are some teams people can be on? Your hint is sports, work, and school. Your sentence should be similar to this. Some teams people can be on are sports, school, and work teams. Are you ready for practice number 3? Fill in the blank in the question with one of the 5 W's or one H so that the question matches the background sentence below it. Question number 1. Blank, do people work on teams? My background sentence says, people work in teams everywhere, at their jobs, at school, or even with friends. So, I think the best W question is, where do people work on teams? Because my answer has the word everywhere in it. Question number 2. Blank, does teamwork make things faster? My background sentence says, teamwork makes things faster by dividing work up into smaller pieces that each person can finish quickly. One hint here is anytime you see the word by, that tells you it's the way something is done. This normally goes with an H question. So my question should be, how does teamwork make things faster? Well done. Now let's keep going to practice number 4. Practice 4. Write 3 questions that start with one of the 5 W's or one H word. Then answer the questions to write sentences for an essay background. The question for your essay is, do you think winter or summer is better? Here's an example. A question I could write for my background sentence is, when is winter? My answer, which is my background sentence, could be, winter is the season after fall and includes colder months like December, January, and February. Now it's your turn. Write a question word for question 1, then answer it for the answer. This will become your first background sentence. Then write a question for question 2. Your answer to the question is your second background sentence. Then write a question for question 3. The answer to this question will be your third background sentence. Remember, you should always answer the question, do you think winter or summer is better? Winter or summer is going to be the main topic of your essay. You will use these background sentences again in Workshop 5. Okay, now that you wrote your background sentences, let's check that you did it correctly using this checklist. Ask yourself, did I use at least one of the keywords, winter or summer, in each sentence? Did I use words from the question in the answer? Is the information I gave true? Are my sentences general and not specific? Do my sentences use plural subjects wherever appropriate? If you checked all of these, well done, you wrote great background sentences, and you're ready for the next workshop.